Author Nation, how are you doing today? It's Melody Ann, founder of Author Nation, and I want to tell you a little bit about something you can find in the community today, and I want to give you a little Canva demo on top of that, just in case you haven't used Canva yet, something that you might want to consider because it's easy peasy. So in our community, we have the Book Success Blueprint, and it has 5 stages. Today, we're looking at Book Buzz Builder. That is the promotion section. And we have a whole bunch of things down here for you. One of them is the author one-sheet templates. So when you go to there, there's a video to help you learn about them. And then there is also some templates for you to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a template, and I have 4 templates to give you, choice. So we're going to look at the very last one here, and we're going to adjust this one. So the first thing you want to do is put a picture of you, so you can upload files. You can find the picture you want and open it up. You can see I've already actually done that. It's already there. And then you can pick that photograph and put it in. You'll see how she's cut off. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to click on that. There we go. And we're just going to drag it down. There we go. It's a beautiful picture of her right there. Again, you can upload the file. I'm going to choose the Wisdom of Listening this time. Going to open that up. You can see I already have it there, so we don't have to wait for it to load. And oh, look at that. That's not going to work. So what we can do is get rid of that and maybe put in a frame. Sometimes I add things by mistake. That's interesting. It doesn't want to go out. There we go. Sometimes I add things randomly for no reason. So you can find something that works. Maybe this one will work. Oh, it's a bit too big, isn't it? So actually, you know what? I am going to use that one. I'm just going to make it smaller, kind of put it in the center. So there we go. And then I'm going to go back to my uploads. And I'm going to take the picture and I'm going to put it there. And then around it, you see I've clicked it. Now I'm going to change the color of the background. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to look at the photo colors. And I want to change it something. What do you think? What's a good background for that? Let's do that one. I like that background. So there we go. And now book title will be Wisdom of Listening. And you can see it's like way too big. So we're going to highlight that and we're going to change the size. There we go. Wisdom of Listening. It can be like that. And the author's name is Marilyn R. Wilson. Marilyn R. Wilson. And then I have a bio for her. I'm going to take her bio and I'm going to add her bio here where it says author bio, keep it short. I'm going to take it out. And then here it says book description. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to find the book description. I don't know if I'll use all of it or not. We'll see. It depends. It's up to you. You can shorten it, whatever you want. And then I'm just going to call there we go. That looks good. Let's do this. Book description. Have these all out. Now we can put in Marilyn's information here. And you can have book Marilyn for your podcast. And then you might have a positive review there. Let's go get a review from Marilyn's document. I'm going to grab this review. So now we have a review, and I'm just going to watch. I don't like how it's right at the edges, so I'm going to actually bring that in. There we go. And I'm not sure I like the background color, so I'm going to change the background color. And I'm going to use a color from that photograph again, maybe this one this time. And then I wonder what that would look like in white. Oh, see, we could have a review in white right there. So now we have Marilyn's picture of her book, her a review, her bio, a book description, and let's just say that this is for, oops, I'm going to call this Talk Topics. And then maybe I will use bullets, and I'll say, oops, fashion, life stories, fashion and designers, life stories, writing a book, and we can put as many talk topics in this as we want. Then Marilyn could take this and give this to podcast hosts. She could also put this up on her website for podcast hosts to look at. She could take this to events with podcasters there. So if thinking, because I have talk topics, my thought is that this would be for her to get podcasts. So there we go. Look how fast that was. We created a beautiful one sheet in under 10 minutes that Marilyn can now use anywhere she wants. So next, I'm going to download it. And of course, I don't want all the pages. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to do page, oh, this is page 4. Pardon me, I'm using page 4. So I'm just going to download page 4. And now Marilyn can use this. So you can create your own one sheet under 10 minutes. And they're really, really useful. And look how professional that looks. It's beautiful, it's colorful, it's professional, it has all the right information that Marilyn needs to get on podcasts. So think about creating your own one sheet. And if you just really, if you're like, I don't even know where to start, join Author Nation, grab our templates and work through those. And of course, if you're part of the membership and you have questions, you can just come and ask me those questions. I can help you to make your own one sheet during an office hour. So go make yourself a one sheet. That's the big takeaway today. And have a great